Hey guys, it's me, the Pometnov, and today I'll show you how to build Withered Bonnie from Lego. This build is mostly made out of purple bricks and has a bit of light purple. It's also highly accurate with its bottom jaw and movable ears, so like one can go down, and it also has 2 red eyes. This build was recommended to me by multiple people, so let's get right into building it. Anyways, now that that's finished, let's build Withered Bonnie up. We'll first take the body and like the bottom part, and we get it right here. Okay, now we take the head. Let me just fix this up a bit. The jaw. Okay, we take the head and we put it right here. Okay, we take this hand and we put it on this side, and we take this little stump on this side. Now, for the legs, this part needs to face outwards. Okay, so it goes here, and this part needs to also face outwards, so it goes here. So then the purple foot is on the our left, and the mechanical one is on the right. Anyways, this is Withered Bonnie from Five Nights at Freddy's 2. I really enjoyed making this build, and I hope you enjoy it as well by commenting, okay? If you really like it, you can comment, and if you really, really like it, you can subscribe and share it with your friends. I'll see you in the next video. This video was also recommended to me in the comments section, so if you have any other Five Nights at Freddy's Lego ideas, I would definitely recommend thinking of some and posting it in the comments section, as well as subscribing and sharing with your friends. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!